Hi guys, it's Dr. Sarshot. I'm here with my beautiful patient Bryn. So she's been having a lot of teeth grinding that's been causing her a lot of tension right here in her masseter muscles. So we're gonna do Botox to help her with that. She also has been getting some headaches. She doesn't break teeth, even though some people do break teeth with really bad teeth grinding. So we're gonna do 20 units per side to start and then see how she does in about a month. All right, stay tuned. Bye. Okay, go ahead and bite down for me. You can relax.